Good, right at lunchtime. I am sorry about day 8 and 9. Let's talk about them. Day 8, so hot. I sheeted the front of that garage wall all with the engineering or the seismic activity. I put those 2x4s on the side and I set the beams up front there. This beam and that beam. For the second floor. No, I don't know when I did that. Anyways, I know I did the sheet of the front on day 8, and I also built the stairs on day 8. So we will climb the said stairs. Day 9, I built this wall, and I built that wall. Day 9, I actually stood that wall, braced it. Then it was the weekend. Now this morning, I stood this wall. I've now built this wall, and now I'm standing this wall. So, let's continue. She's a tight fit, I'll tell you. There it goes. Okay. Here's the cap plate for there. Perfect. Tight, yep. Voila. So that went oddly well, too well. Hold on, hold on. I got to get used to these sheeting being done with nails versus staples. so used to sheeting with staples. There it is. Okay, now you can just barely see my red line. Looks pretty good. It's good, good. A little bit out, a smidgen out. Do that. Looks good. Oh my, it looks just beautiful. Yep, let's take that. I'm a 3-nail guy here. I tend to go near the stud. I do that because electricians may be running wire. Odds are, electrician will not drill beside a stud. They'll be more in the middle. Just thinking about their bits. It's easy, why not, right? Well, we're gonna stop for lunch already. Good. Happy with the morning thus far. Temperature is not ridiculous. Very tolerable. So after lunch, what I'll do with you is I'll nail this sheeting, because this sheeting goes right through the floor system into the main floor walls, which holds the whole thing together beautifully, I think. No, it does. Okay, here I am at the back. We'll start over here. Okay, so here's my, those are my horizontal seismic blocks. Okay, so I have a line snapped here. You can't see it. Right there. That's the bottom plate. So right underneath it are the top plates, oops, of the main floor walls, because I brought them to the underside of the subfloor, if you remember. So I can fasten them beautifully. Okay. Find my stud here. Here. That's a window. So now, make sure we hit this top sill here, right there. Okay, now is there a stud there? Right here. Nope, there it is. Whoop. Okay, nailed, yep. It's a miss. Up. I'm out of nails. We having fun yet or what? Here's my stud. And I think you get the point. Okay, so yeah, we stood that together. After that back wall, I built this here front wall. Stood it, obviously. Then I just finished doing this guy and standing it. And I have nailed the whole bottom to the floor system or the beam, whatever, or to the beams, yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.